Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if y'all are new, welcome. My name is Lorena, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today, I'll be showing y'all the nursery, because we're going to be finishing up his room by Monday, hopefully, and Monday night at midnight, we'll be going in and getting induced. So, yeah. I really wanted to get this film for y'all because I'm loving how his room is turning out. There's no theme to it. Everyone keeps asking if we're having a theme. There's no theme. It's a normal room. It's something that Chris and I, when he gets older, like if we're staying here in this apartment for a long time, we wanted it to be easy to have him grow into it, rather than, oh, let's have this theme, and then when he gets older and he actually does start liking certain things, then we would have to go and rebuy the whole thing. So we'd rather just do it just natural wood stuff, how we like stuff to be until he's able to tell us or like show like what he's interested in. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this little tour. If I don't edit in there or voice over it, look at the description box below and you'll find out where each item is, and I'll try and link everything in that I can, but with gifts, of course, that will be hard, obviously. So yeah, let's go on.
I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna see the light.
Okay guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that little tour. It might be not much, you know what I'm saying? Sorry if you hear traffic. I'm right here by the window right now. Anyways, I should have said that for the beginning too. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. And yeah, I just can't wait to be a mom. I'm really nervous for the delivery part. That's what I'm most nervous about. Like, it's freaking me out. But yeah. So if you follow me on Instagram, y'all probably will know ahead of time. Or even maybe not. I'm not really sure, y'all, to be honest. But yeah, I hope y'all are okay with that. So yeah, I hope y'all really liked this video. If y'all did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how y'all did y'all's nurseries. Like, did y'all have a theme, or are we just the only ones that are just like are we weird for not doing a theme? Like, I don't know, but tell me. Anyways, yeah, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, that's locking it. Subscribe down below if y'all want to be a part of my channel and be updated, and especially click that little bell so y'all can be notified once I start getting all these videos up for y'all. But yeah, just thank you so much for watching and even giving the time of watching it. And remember to give. Y'all, being pregnant, my words are always jumbled up. Remember to spread love and positivity, because that is what this world needs right now. And yeah, just thank y'all so much again, and bye.